Hello everyone, this is my secret YouTube channel for tutorials. I want to show you this problem I ran into. I ran into a problem with importing Rokoko animations to MetaHumans, so I want to show you how I managed to do it in the end. So we have this animation here. It's a WhatsApp video, ignore that please. Anyway, this animation here, whatever, sitting by a fire and warming up. So what you need to do is select the animation and hit export. The file format is an FBX. Use the menu UE5 and the advanced settings you don't really need to care. So just press export. Once you do that, you will have a file like this. I have it in my downloads. So whatever, I named it beginning seated fire. So how do you import this file? Let's go to the animations folder, whatever, chapter 1. Please don't crash. Okay, so how to import? There's already one named like that. Okay, so beginning seated fire. So what you need to do now is you uncheck this import mesh because you already have you are going to use a different mesh. So uncheck this import mesh, and if you want to use it for MetaHumans, just spell here MetaHumans, and it should be MetaHuman base skeleton, this one right here. So just select this one and import all. So now if we open this up, we will have a random MetaHuman, but it will be displaying the animation. So right now we can, if my Unreal Engine would be working, please, thank you. Right now we can actually go ahead and get a level sequence, whatever. I'm just showing this as an example. We can have a MetaHuman here. I think it's Cooper, yes. Okay, we can have the MetaHuman. We can drag it into the timeline, and you will also have the cameras and other stuff. We can delete the MetaHuman control rig. You can also delete this one, but it won't make an impact because for my animation at least I did not use any face thing. But if you do have a face thing, I think you have to also do this. So now you can actually go to body animation, and it's this one, beginning sit at fire 1. If you wouldn't have selected the MetaHuman skeleton, it wouldn't have showed here, and I tried making it show up here so much. I found in many tutorials that you need an IK rig or whatever, and it's just way too complicated, but now it should work. So now it's playing the animation we imported. Way simpler than what I found on YouTube. No retargeter, no nothing. And that's how you do it. Now that I have finished the tutorial, I can say that this is the first video on this channel. I want to make a separate channel with problems I ran into and the fixes I found. So if you like it, subscribe. I might be able to help you out in the future. And thank you for watching. This game, Volcano Oden on Steam, and bye bye.